Let me show you just how easy it is to build a Fred's photobook product. But before we get started, you may want some ideas, so visit our sample and ideas page. When you get to the page, simply scroll through the different template design categories. When you find one you like, select it, and your photobook sample will appear. Click through the pages, gain some ideas. Once you're inspired, hit your back button, and select the photobook product you'd like to build. In this case, we're going to build a photobook. So the first thing we do when we go to build a photobook is to choose between the easy build templates and the custom build templates. The easy build template is a template that's locked down. It allows you to load your pictures very quickly and inside of 3 minutes produce a themed photobook. The custom build option allows you the flexibility and creativity to go in and change the backgrounds, modify the backgrounds, move your pictures around, the picture frames around, enlarge, add different clip art, gives you the freedom to be very creative. So we're going to select a custom build. First thing we do is go through the categories again. We're going to pick life events, and we're going to do a birthday book. We have several birthday book templates to choose from, and I'm going to choose this birthday bash. First thing we need to do is select the cover options. Cover options would include a gloss, a soft touch, which is a velvety, very soft, muted cover, and then a satin finish. In this case, we're going to go with a gloss finish. Page options. We can go with a matte finish or a gloss finish. Since we're going with a gloss cover, I think I'm going to take this super gloss option for my inside pages. And for a book size, I'm going to go with our standard 8.5 by 11 product. I'm going to go with 1 copy and create now. Once our photo book template loads, we will need to add pictures or pull pictures. We have 2 options. We can select from our hard drive, or we can select the photos that are stored in our photo book account. So the first thing I'm going to do is select images from my hard drive. Now, what I like to do, which allows me to save time and to efficiently build my book, is to pull my images down and place them in a folder on my desktop. I actually number the photos so that they will follow the sequence as they enter the book. So I'm going to select images from my hard drive. There it is, the Bobby's birthday book folder. I'm going to select all of the images, and they will load into my toolbar. Now, if I want to add more images from my Facebook account, all I've got to do is hit the Facebook icon, which will connect me to my Facebook account and allow me to grab images from my timeline or any of the albums that I've stored online. I'm going to go back to our local images, which we've loaded from our hard drive. Now, to pull a photo in and load it into your book, it's simply drag and drop into the gray area. Now, the other option is to go to your image tool, select all, and fill the book. What's going to happen now is the entire book is going to be loaded with the pictures that I've loaded in my time bar. Okay, let's go back to the first page, and let's take a look at some of our editing capabilities. First thing I want to do is I'd like to enlarge this photo a bit. So I'm going to look to one of the corners for the yellow handlebar, and I'm going to drag it in, which will allow me to enlarge the photo. If I want to decrease the size, I pull it back. In this case, we're going to load it in. Now I need to center that a bit. So what I do is I hit this yellow sunburst in the middle, and it allows me to drag and move the photo around until it's just perfect. There we go. That looks good. So we're going to move to our next page. And the one thing we're going to want to do is add some text here, personalize the book. So we double click, our text box will appear. We fill it in. Happy birthday, Bobby. Looks good. But I think I'd like it to match the other red. So we're going to click on the color button, and we're going to choose red. That looks a little bit better. Perfect. The next thing we're going to do is go to the next page. And what we have here is a number of photos. Some of the photos look very similar, so I'd like to change the order. So all I do is grab this blue square and drag it to another location, which will swap my pictures. That looks a little bit better. And again, I need to load Bobby up, center him in the frame, and that looks pretty good. Now the other options that you'll have in our custom build is there are parts of the template that you can now modify. So we have a blue background here. I'm going to show you how I can take this blue background and make it part of the entire background. Drag the corner, enlarge it. Now it's laying over all of our other objects. So what I'm going to need to do is change the order. Simply go down, move it above, nope, move it under, yes. 1, 2, 3. Looks pretty good. Now my last page here, what I need to do is I've got one blank. So what I'm going to have to do here is find a picture that I think I like. And I'm going to pull this picture in, fill frame. Again, enlarge it a little bit, pull it over. Now in this case, I'd like to change the way the picture sits on the canvas. So you simply grab one of these blue handles and it'll allow you to spin the photo book frame. That looks good right there. Oh, this one's blocking his head, so what we're going to do is pull this frame down. We're going to want to center it, so I go to a side handle, drag it in, go to this side handle, drag it in, and crop the picture so it fits nicely on the canvas. And there you have it. Your photo book is complete. Now all you have to do is hit save and exit, and your photo book is ready for delivery. Name your project, B.A. and check out. So there you have it. You've produced a personalized photo book that will forever commemorate that very special moment in life. I hope you have fun producing your friend's photo book.